Alright guys, this is Mad Clown Cards. Mad Clown Cards. I'm live on Breakers TV. We're doing 5 boxes of Playbook. 5 boxes of Playbook. Barnesy, you have the Vikings. You have the Bills. You have the Giants and the Dolphins. Yep, that's correct. Alright, we're doing 5 boxes of Playbook. Good luck to everybody that's in it. Make sure. Dude, I swear I turned my volume off on my phone and it's still making noise. There we go. I got you. I have Facebook, Frank. I don't have a store. I have Facebook. I have a Facebook where I post everything. Maybe one day I can get a store. That's the Facebook group if you want to join. Alright, here we go. Five boxes. Five boxes. 5 boxes. 5 boxes. Alright, this is the fun part. What 5 boxes we gonna roll to it? Alright guys, there's six numbers. There's 6 numbers on a dice, I believe. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. There's 6 numbers on a dice. So divide that by 3. Is that an even number? I'm wrong. How many numbers on a dice? Where's the 6.5 at? On Barnesy, where's the 6.5 at? You messing with me, right? Alright, 1 through 2. 1 through 2 is going to be this stack. 3 through 4 is going to be the middle stack. 5 and 6 is going to be the right stack. Let me put my thing right here so I can see. Alright, here we go. It's a 2, so we're going with the first stack. 2. So this is 5 through 6. This is 3 through 4. This is Playbook, Chris. I always wear gloves. You know that. All right. Good luck to everybody that's in it. Yes, Frank. Give me 1 second. I know you're joking, but I always wear gloves. I don't like showing my fingers. All right, there's your 5 packs. Let me add them real quick. Somebody asked if we fooled the playbook, which I post on Facebook. It was full, so that means I'm breaking. Frank, add Frank. All right, Frank, I got you. All right, see how we doing playbook, guys and ladies. Good luck. First up for the Titans. For the Titans, we have Kendall Wright and Bishop Sankey. It is number 2/199 for the Titans. Next up, we have a vet auto, Randall Cobb for the Packers. It is number 49. 49. Good pickup, play to win. Late pickup right there. Good job. Next, we have a Bryce Petty. A Bryce Petty for the Jets. Bryce Petty for the Jets. It is number 2. It's hard to see. It's number 199 for the Jets. Next, we have a Andrew Yuck and T.Y. Hilton for the Colts, number 99. We have a draft edition, number 2/199, Teddy Bridgewater for the Vikings, one of the late teams picked up. And for the Jaguars, T.J. Yeldon, 4-color patch for the Jaguars. Congratulations, Jaguars. T.J. Yeldon for the Jaguars. Okay, this is weird. I never saw one like this, but it was put in the sleeve wrong. That's weird. We have for the Raiders, Bo Jackson and Tim Brown, number 299 for the Raiders. We have our first random. This will be a random. Dolphins, Bears, and Raiders. We got Cooper, Kevin White, and Parker. We're going to have to random that between the Raiders, Bears, and Dolphins. Our next hit For the Vikings, Stephon Diggs. Stephon Diggs for the Vikings. A late pickup. It is number 299. For the Arizona Cardinals, we have Ellington and Fitzgerald, number 299. For the Raiders, we have number 199, Walford for the Raiders. And we have a green for the Lions, which is number 25 for the Lions. Abdullah. Woo! Sick. 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 It's not auto, but it's number 5. That's sick. Y'all gotta say, that's sick. That is sick. For the Lions. Number 5. It's not autographed, but that is sick. Whoever got the Lions, congratulations. You got a big Nike check. You got a tag. You got some colors right there. There you go. I knew I was due to hit a doula. I haven't hit a doula in a while. I knew he was going to come out eventually. That's nice. That's number 5. I had to take a picture of that. I'm sorry. That's sick. Last pack. It must. And then I hit another guy. I hope that's autographed because I haven't hit him in a while either. For the Steelers, Jerome Bettis and Rod Woodson, number 299. For the Houston, Texas, 2-color jersey of Jalen Strong Hot Rookies. And for the Green Bay Packers, Brett Hundley. The question is it autographed? Yes, it is. Brett Hundley, another guy I haven't hit in a while. And that's the 5 boxes of Playbook. Thank you for everybody that joined. I do have a random to do. Not a problem, Fluffy. Let me do the random while I'm here. Let me write down who got what. The Bears. Bears are Dustin. They go in the middle. The Finns are Barnsey. They go at the bottom. And who got the Raiders? The Raiders are Jeremy. Got that written down. Alright, thank you. Yes, if y'all want the same team in Playbook, for the next 5, just let me know. You can have them. So Barnesy, you want? I don't have no personal boxes at the time, Frank. No personal boxes at the time. If you tell me what you like, I can tell you if I can get it or not. You take all the same teams, Barnesy? Dale, you want the same team also? So Dale wants the Ravens. Barnesy want all 4 teams. All right. I'm not gonna forget, young Cali. You got the Panthers cards that Chief Rules gave you, and you got the 49er card you bought from me. Not. I will not forget. In the next 5, Frank. Let me set up random while I'm still recording. Random.org. Let me log in. Let's see. Random card. Playbook. Man. We got Raiders, Bears, and Fins. Yes, Football King. I'm uh I'm doing a random real quick, and I'm gonna post the video. All right, let me know when y'all can see it on the screen. Let me know when y'all can see it on the screen, so I know we good. The Rams are $20, Frank, but I got to make sure the person that bought them first don't want them again. I can send you an IM and give you second dibs if you want them. Everybody can see the random? Is the random good? I'm still recording, Football King. After this, I'm gonna upload the recap. All right, here we go. You want the Jags again, Fluffy? You got them. Here's your dice. All dice count. Going 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And the Raiders are on top. Sorry, Bears and Dolphins. The Raiders are on top 7 times. All right, I got some IMs I'm going to have to check. Give me a second. Let me stop recording.